さん、こんにちは。私はヘキサゴンマニファクチャリングインテリジェンス日本リージョンのテクニカルシニアダイレクターの平林と申します。ヘキサゴンを代表して新製品のネクサスプラットフォームを紹介したいと思います。ヘキサゴンの設計、エンジニアリング、シミュレーションから生産、製造、品質検査に至るまで製品のライフサイクルを網羅する幅広い技術ポートフォリオをご存知の方もいらっしゃるかと存じます。私たちはこれまで培った英知を反映したネクサスを今回紹介いたします。ネクサスは皆様のような製造業に従事される方のためのデジタルリアリティプラットフォームです。この新しいプラットフォームを日本で発表できることを大変嬉しく思います。この動画はヘキサゴンのネクサスの担当者2名からヘキサゴンが製造業の未来にどのような貢献ができるかについてお話をしたいと思います。まずはヘキサゴンの最高製品技術責任者であるパース女子が製造業のトレンドと現在直面している課題、そしてネクサスのようなオープンプラットフォームがどのように皆様に役立つかについてお話しいたします。次に副社長兼ネクサスのジェネラルマネージャーであるスティーブン・グラハムからネクサスの詳細をお話しさせていただきます。ネクサスとは何か、どんな問題を解決するのか、さらに具体的なネクサスのアプリケーションとソリューションについてもご紹介させていただきます。ぜひここからの動画をお楽しみください。
On behalf of Hexagon, I would like to welcome you all to this launch event. It is truly a super exciting day for us as we'll be launching a game-changing new platform. Let me start by introducing who we are for anyone joining us for the first time. Hexagon is a global technology leader in digital reality solutions, committed to a simple yet powerful principle, putting data to work to empower an autonomous and sustainable future. Our technologies drive innovations across numerous industries. We work with customers ranging from small job shops to the largest OEMs globally. Every year, we support the development and manufacturing of 95% of cars, 90% of aircrafts, 75% of smartphones, along with supporting many other industries. We're engaged with manufacturers daily, and we work hard to understand your challenges and goals to come up with better solutions together. The Manufacturing Intelligence Division within Hexagon is focused on helping discrete manufacturers' digital transformations. Our comprehensive portfolio helps in three core areas that are critical to manufacturers. First, design and engineering solutions, which improve efficiency in product design and prototyping, embed quality into design, and ensure manufacturability downstream. Secondly, production solutions that ensure the design intent is maintained throughout the product lifecycle, improving productivity and delivering high-quality components. Thirdly, metrology and inspection solutions that capture real-world data for inspection and quality to continuously improve efficiency, productivity, and quality for our customers. Not only do we work closely with customers, but we also manufacture products ourselves. So we have a deep understanding of the different industry trends and challenges. Four examples that we see are, firstly, increasing productivity. Companies are automating at every opportunity, but often struggle to utilize the available data to its fullest extent. Overall productivity in manufacturing can increase by 30+% by adopting digitalization initiatives, meaning improving the connectivity of digital data, bringing products to market faster with confidence that the quality designed is the quality delivered. Second, managing costs to drive profitability. As the cost of raw material and labor keeps rising year over year, companies need to ensure that their end-to-end processes are connected and optimized while being agile and having established closed-loop workflows across different teams to enable the seamless exchange of data. Thirdly, sustainability is in sharper focus than ever before. Beyond the environmental impact, businesses today need to think about economic sustainability and opportunities, resource production and consumption, social responsibility, and a wealth of other factors. Lastly, breaking down silos. Manufacturing ecosystems are comprised of many facilities, including OEMs and suppliers, with teams working remotely to play their role in the development of a product from concept to reality. Internal and external silos can impede progress, so breaking down silos is a key in digitalization. Your productivity, cost, and quality-driven outcomes can be impacted by various silos, both internally and externally, reducing the collaboration and interaction across departments, increasing the chances of costly change management. Teams feel less empowered due to limited accessibility of information throughout the innovation lifecycle, based on different tools, databases, processes, and information. At Hexagon, we believe that data is a common digital thread across organizations and technology that can bring all functions and stakeholders closer together. Making the data available to the right user at the right time can make the whole process faster, more agile, and responsive, addressing key challenges. So, how do we help makers break down these silos and unlock the true value of data across your companies and the industry? Hexagon is pleased to announce the launch of an open digital reality platform called Nexus. Let's now see Nexus in action through a short video explaining what it is, how it will help you, and how it will disrupt the industry.
Push the boundaries of possibilities and accelerate your journey towards the future of manufacturing. Nexus, Hexagon's open digital reality platform for manufacturers, connects people, technology, and data, breaking down silos and accelerating innovation. Streamline your product development with Nexus apps tailored for the diverse enterprise needs. Deliver value-based outcomes for engineering, production, and quality teams through intuitive, purpose-built experiences. Create new solutions with customized workflows that digitalize operations and optimize manufacturing processes. Drive efficiency, data visibility, and collaboration across the enterprise, supercharging the technologies you own. Leveraging Microsoft technologies, Nexus brings together systems integrators and technology vendors on one open platform, empowering the continued development of innovative solutions for manufacturing. With access to an expanding ecosystem of innovative partner offerings, Nexus gives you the freedom to choose the connected technology that's right for you. Free sign-up on Nexus Home allows you to explore and try the rich Nexus capabilities and a vast product portfolio that will transform your manufacturing workflow. Empowering makers like you to build a more sustainable, efficient, data-driven, and collaborative future. Nexus gives you freedom to innovate.
Nexus empowers makers with the freedom to innovate. So, what is Nexus? It's an open platform utilizing modern user-centered UI UX design to help you connect people, technologies, and data across the product lifecycle, while also releasing new modern applications and solutions. Nexus allows secure exchange of data across teams, disciplines, and technologies, enabling real-time collaboration and helping you innovate by turning the data into intelligence through meaningful insights. We are really excited to launch our first set of modern apps and solutions today and have an exciting roadmap of new offerings coming on a regular basis in the short and midterm. In addition to being a technology platform, Nexus is also an ecosystem of key technology vendors system integrators, Hexagon, and the makers like yourselves. This ecosystem can leverage the platform capabilities to build novel solutions and help solve challenges that manufacturers are facing. In the next session, after me, we're going to deep dive into how Nexus works. With our initial release of Nexus, we are joined by industry-leading technology companies that are already leveraging the open and rich capabilities of Nexus to deliver joint solutions to the market. Our partners like Microsoft, Altium, Datanomics, Octon, and CADS Additive are bringing complementary technologies to Nexus to ensure you, as a customer, have access to a deeper and broader portfolio. In the coming months, we'll be announcing even more partners and system integrators to the ecosystem, giving you more freedom. If you are interested in a partnership, please reach out to us. Our goal with Nexus is to give you the freedom you need to innovate at your pace and the technology of your choice. Next, Stephen Graham will introduce Nexus in more detail, covering the new applications, solutions, portal, and platform itself. As we continue the presentations, you can in parallel sign up on the platform with the QR code or at nexus.hexagon.com free of charge to experience the unified and modern customer journey and try out our innovative Nexus offerings. You will love it. Thank you.
Thank you. So as Parth explained, we're launching Nexus today to tackle some of the most pervasive challenges in manufacturing, leveraging technology to increase productivity, stimulating collaboration throughout the product lifecycle to break down silos, and leveraging data to work towards more sustainable outcomes. In the next 20 minutes, I aim to dive deeper into exactly what Nexus is, what it does, how it works, and how it can help you wherever you are in your transformation journey from digitalization towards autonomy. I'll also take some time to explain exactly what we're launching today and try to give you an idea of what's coming in the near future and in the years to come. Nexus is an open digital reality platform for manufacturing, connecting technology and people in real time using a data-centered approach. A key word there is open. Nexus isn't just a place for technologies from Hexagon. We're building an ecosystem where you will be able to find and connect technologies from any vendor. You will also be able to connect and collaborate with your suppliers and your customers and work with third-party system integrators to build solutions to the challenges you face. In addition to connecting technologies, Nexus is also designed to connect people, and a key focus is to drive real-time collaboration across engineering disciplines to break down silos in manufacturing organizations that otherwise get in the way of solving problems. As I said, this connectivity is provided in real time and in a data-centered way. But before diving into exactly how that works, I'd like to say a few words first on what we mean by digital reality. Digital reality is a data-driven concept, similar to the idea of a digital twin operating within a digital thread, but connected much more tightly to reality. To create a digital reality, we are interested to connect real-world data sensed in real time to maintain a digital representation of products and machines and processes that is as close to reality as possible every step of the way. By maintaining a digital reality, we create the opportunity to turn data into intelligence in real time, empowering teams to make better decisions faster. As a digital reality platform, Nexus aspires to this ideal. Nexus is not trying to be a centralized, static data store. This is an important function for sure, and there are other systems for that. Instead, with Nexus, our focus is on the real time, identifying and solving problems as they occur. So what exactly is Nexus? Well, Nexus is a cloud-based digital reality platform. It has a web-based front end where you can log in to view and manage your manufacturing software and hardware and discover more technologies that may help you. From the home page, you can also participate in ongoing collaborative activities in real time. But the real power of Nexus comes from connecting applications, hardware, and other technologies that generate data in a manufacturing context. Nexus enables improved and democratized access to data that is otherwise locked in silos. By enabling collaborative workflows operating in real time and across engineering disciplines, Nexus helps to break down silos to improve the speed of product development and drive decision-making based on insights derived from analysis of real-time data. And that key point again, openness. Nexus welcomes technologies from any vendor, not just Hexagon, to support the flexibility to work with whichever technologies you prefer. Pretty much anything that generates data in the context of discrete manufacturing can be connected to Nexus. Once it's connected, we call it Powered by Nexus. Both hardware and software products can be powered by Nexus, and each product only needs to be connected once. Once it's connected, it can then become part of any number of real-time collaborative workflows built using connectivity through the platform. We call these collaborative workflows Nexus solutions. A Nexus solution can be built from any two or more products that are powered by Nexus. And I'm going to say it again, Nexus is a truly open platform. It's not only Hexagon products that will be powered by Nexus, but the platform is also open to connect software, hardware, or any other data-generating manufacturing technologies from any vendor. You need the freedom to build solutions from whatever technologies you already own or choose, and Nexus provides that freedom. The Nexus digital reality platform has many capabilities, starting with the real-time connectivity used to build solutions. Once a solution is up and running, data flows through the platform, and so we've built many additional capabilities to derive further value from this data. Advanced analytics, including artificial intelligence and machine learning, are used to deliver insights and take steps towards autonomy. High-powered compute accelerates simulations, and visualization technologies help to bring other users logging directly into Nexus on the web into the collaboration. Mostly, these platform capabilities are used to build apps and solutions, but where relevant, they will also be offered directly to end users as Nexus platform services. Finally, we're developing a set of Nexus apps. These are new cloud and Nexus native software products that leverage the unique capabilities of the cloud and are integrated directly into the modern user experience offered by Nexus. Over the coming months and years, we will be launching many new Nexus apps and Nexus solutions. But specifically, today we are launching 7 things. The Nexus digital reality platform itself, our first 4 apps and our first solution, and our platform for developers called Nexus for Developers. I'm going to run through these one by one and show you a glimpse of what they look like. So first, the Nexus platform as it is accessed via the Nexus homepage. The homepage offers a new, customer-focused online experience designed to be a one-stop shop for our customers. You access this by typing nexus.hexagon.com on your web browser. Signing up is simple using the registration page here, and I'd like to encourage everyone watching this presentation today to register free of charge. We ask a few questions about your role and interests in order to provide a highly personalized experience. Then, from the Nexus homepage, you can discover products and technologies from Hexagon and other suppliers, get support and training for the products you currently use, purchase hardware accessories, and learn about the new Nexus apps and solutions. Once logged in, you will see a very modern user interface where you can explore what Nexus has to offer to address your manufacturing challenges and goals. Nexus presents an incredibly broad portfolio of technology, including design and engineering software, production software, and complete metrology solutions. Learn about manufacturing software and hardware all in one convenient experience. From the Nexus homepage, you will be guided to recommendations based on the products you already own or your specified areas of interest. You can also find a series of industry-specific solutions that are drawn from the vast knowledge of the global Hexagon team and our partners. If you're not sure which technologies can help with your latest issues, use the Solution Finder to guide you. Simply select the topics of interest and quickly see the recommendations. If you need more information on any product, the sales teams are just a click away. Nexus also provides many services options when you need help from dedicated experts. Our capable services team is there to support you along the way. Speak to an expert by filling out a simple form. The Nexus homepage is not just about providing product information. It will be the single place where users can access first-class technical support. Already today, users can get access to all available software documentation using the Documentation Center. Users can also search and register for instructor-led training to gain key product knowledge and purchase metrology hardware accessories. The modern, secure e-commerce site makes it easy to manage your daily hardware needs. The Nexus homepage is your personalized environment where you have everything at your fingertips. From solutions to support, join us today and be part of the Nexus journey. Okay, so much for the homepage. The first Nexus app that we are announcing today is Metrology Reporting. It provides real-time metrology information and insights and enables increased productivity based on data-driven decision-making. This powerful app centralizes disparate data sources into a single, intuitive dashboard. The Metrology Reporting app is simple to access and use. Log in through your browser and access metrology data wherever and whenever it's needed. It's responsive, intuitive, and easy to learn. It's also visual. Graphs, charts, and color ensure users focus on the data important to their task. Metrology Reporting intelligently supports customer workflows and complex analysis, and trends become easy to understand. On-the-fly filtering gives manufacturers advanced data not available from other reporting tools or simple PDFs. And it's accessible, meaning it's available to any user at any time on any device. And it's also scalable, so there's no limit to the number of users who can be logged in. With Metrology Reporting, you can track the real-time status of measured parts, get failure details, and view metrology reports on any device at any time. Users can access data and insights quickly and efficiently, and it's easy to consolidate disparate reporting tools into one system so users can collaborate on centralized data. You will also be able to search an archive of historical dimensional data and metrology reports. Metrology Reporting integrates seamlessly with on-premise software like PCDMIS and Quindos to view the metrology data. It also simplifies collaboration. You can easily share key reporting data with colleagues. Our goal with this app is to make the user's job easier, increasing your productivity through intelligent, cloud-based reporting and visualization. Metrology Reporting is simple, intelligent, and accessible, giving you smarter reporting and insights to drive your business. The second app we are launching today is Materials Connect. Materials data is at the core of any product innovation process. Materials Connect empowers organizations to leverage material data more effectively and drive productivity. It's a cloud-native visualization and data management solution, creating a single and central repository that is available to all material data consumers within your company. This database can easily be managed and configured to the user's preferences. The app is very easy and intuitive to use. An Excel template is available for flexible import of your material data from a wide variety of data types and formats. It contains detailed guidelines for the definition of data attributes, data properties, data parameters, and finally data curves without extensive configuration up front. Once the Excel sheet is filled in, you can quickly import your material data into the database. The database allows you to search for material data by keyword or filter by material property and save the filtering configurations for future use. Thanks to these advanced search and filtering capabilities, you can quickly identify the material of your interest. You can interactively visualize imported data curves and parameters to unlock data-driven insights. By making material data more accessible, this app enhances collaboration and connectivity across functions within organizations. And by democratizing materials data, it can help to drive productivity. The third app we're launching today is Materials Enrich. Materials Enrich works in tandem with Materials Connect to leverage and enrich existing material data to drive faster product design and development. It's also very simple to use. Existing material data are imported from Materials Connect to be augmented intelligently. The existing material data are represented in a matrix with some empty cells amongst the imported data. Missing combinations of materials and testing conditions can be created. The user can choose among different enrichment technologies that combine material modeling with machine learning. The enrichment allows users to save time and cost relative to physical testing. The material data are generated fast and with high accuracy according to a fidelity indicator. The database is augmented with reliable predictions that can be published in Materials Connect to make the enriched data further accessible by any other connected application and drive faster product design and development with a rapid availability of material information. Both these materials applications, Connect and Enrich, work together to provide end-to-end capabilities from material data management to material enrichment. The fourth app we are launching today is the 3D Whiteboard. The 3D Whiteboard is a visual collaboration tool that allows stakeholders of the project to perform live, interactive project reviews. The tool can be launched directly from the connected applications or from the project page. The results panel enables users to look at the various 3D assets as they are generated throughout the workflow. In this example, users can switch between the nominal, print, and compensated geometries to examine the details of the design, print, and process simulations. The complete process data, such as build plate configurations and support structures, are also conveniently available to provide a holistic context to all the different stakeholders in the project. The 3D Whiteboard provides easy-to-use collaboration tools that greatly simplify the process of contextualizing reviews. Users can pin comments directly to 3D by clicking on any visible part of the model. All comments carry a status field which helps to track actions as they get resolved. Comments are always made in the context of the project and can be pinned to any of the geometries that are visible in the project. In addition to pinning comments, the 3D Whiteboard provides inking and snapshot tools that aid with documenting and capturing of issues. With the inking tool, users can easily redline and highlight areas of interest directly on the 3D canvas that need attention. Here, the process engineer notices an area of concern with the total displacement on the compensated model. Once marked up, he captures a snapshot to document the issue for later reviews. Snapshots are conveniently available in the snapshot panel and can be used later to go back to the exact view as documented live in 3D. Now that we've seen all the collaboration capabilities of the 3D Whiteboard in a browser environment, let us see how all of this is supercharged with an industry-first Microsoft Teams integration. The Nexus 3D Whiteboard is available as a Teams app that can be added to any live Teams meeting to enable a fully immersive, real-time collaboration environment for project meetings. In addition to audio and video collaboration, the embedded 3D Whiteboard brings live avatars and user presence in 3D to enable participants to co-view, co-edit, and co-author content together. Design and project reviews can be conducted directly within the project space where data flows such as import, export, and audit trails are automatically maintained behind the scenes by the system. Now, I would like to show you our first Nexus solution, an example of a connected workflow built using Nexus, fostering collaboration, breaking down silos, and putting data to work. As you can see here, Nexus has a vast portfolio of technologies supporting an additive manufacturing workflow from product design to process development all the way to quality inspection. Designing for AM and leveraging the huge potential of additive manufacturing requires a holistic approach throughout its entire process chain. Our initial focus is on the engineering phase of the workflow, more specifically the product design and associated manufacturing process development stages. Through Nexus, we're connecting standalone applications within the design and engineering sequence and thus enabling real-time collaborative work between the respective stakeholders of the engineering workflow. Now let's see the connected workflow in action. The real-time collaborative workflow is initiated by the product designer signing into Nexus from the desktop application Apex GD, Hexagon's generative design solution. The product designer starts by selecting a material that will be used by all connected applications all along the workflow, thus ensuring data consistency throughout the project. The product engineer will then work in the connected desktop application to generate an optimized product geometry. The optimized geometry is synchronized with Nexus, ready to be used by other connected applications. The product designer then invites other relevant stakeholders to join and work collaboratively on the project. The process engineer, who has been invited by the product designer to join the collaborative Nexus project, will log into Nexus from the connected third-party build prep solution AM Studio from CAD's Additive. Note that this is not a Hexagon product. As I've been saying, Nexus is a truly open platform. By connecting AM Studio, all relevant data present in the shared Nexus project is available to the application. Here, material and part geometry. The process engineer can now prepare the part for print. But critically, he or she can work in real time with the product designer, modifying the design if necessary to improve manufacturability. These information and geometries are in turn synchronized with Nexus to be used for the next steps of the AM workflow. Once the build has been set up, the simulation engineer, who was also invited to the project, can start running simulations to check the manufacturability of the part with Simifact Additive, our AM process simulation solution. Again, the simulation engineer can work collaboratively in real time with the product designer and process engineer to tweak the design or build prep as needed to ensure manufacturability. By working together in this way, the three engineers can find a solution much more quickly than if they were each worked independently in sequence. Again, after logging into Nexus and connecting to the project, all relevant data is automatically available to Simifact Additive to facilitate the simulation preparation work and ensure data consistency all along the workflow. Once the process build has been validated by process simulation and the part design and manufacturability collaboratively validated, AM Studio will be used again to prepare the job for printing. Nesting and hatching strategies will be defined, the slicing of the printing job will be performed, all necessary print files to be sent to the 3D printer will be generated, thus completing the DFAM workflow. Beyond enabling real-time collaborative work along the workflow during the engineering phase, Nexus also offers a three-dimensional whiteboard that will allow stakeholders of the project to perform live, interactive, collaborative project reviews. The three engineers and anyone else who needs to participate in the project can access the collaborative 3D whiteboard from one of the connected applications or directly from a web browser by logging into the Nexus homepage. The platform provides 3D renderings of the project geometries, dynamic display of results generated by the different connected applications, and it allows annotations and freehand sketching capabilities for live, interactive project reviews. Users can set up notifications and manage project review agenda and history. Finally, I would like to show you our offerings for the developer community called Nexus for Developers. Nexus is built on the founding principle that it is an open platform that provides our customers with freedom to innovate. Openness means open API, open data, and an open platform that provides a transparent, standardized access to critical mass of data to accelerate development. This means that customers can now have solutions that integrate not only with Hexagon technologies, but with other vendor technologies of their choice using Nexus platform services. We achieve this through Nexus for Developers. Nexus for Developers is targeted at system integrators, technology vendors, and developers in the manufacturing sector to solve problems in modern ways. Register today for free early access. It's a simple three-step process. Once registered, you will receive a notification from our team giving you access. With Nexus for Developers, you can seamlessly amplify the value of your offering by integrating any products from Hexagon or third parties and leverage capabilities such as visualization and compute to expand the benefits offered to your customer. Once logged in, you will see a very modern user interface which provides details on key features that are available to develop real-time collaboration and data synchronization applications, and summary information about Nexus data model, smart data contracts, APIs, SDK, and tutorials. At any point, if there are any questions about the information provided, or if you're not able to find what you're looking for, a simple form is provided to submit your query, and a member of our team will get back to you. With a modern navigation menu, you can access different sections of the Nexus for Developers content easily. Getting started will provide step-by-step guidance from environment setup to deployment needed to build data-centric solutions, design intuitive user interfaces, or connect your apps and data to Hexagon Portfolio. To further assist you, a starter application is provided as an example that can be used as a reference which has all the packages pre-configured. The Nexus UI library is also provided to developers to develop intuitive and responsive UI, create interactive components, and ensure that your applications are accessible and user-friendly. Okay, so those were the specific offerings we're launching today. The Nexus digital reality platform itself, 4 Nexus apps, metrology reporting, Materials Connect, Materials Enrich, and the 3D whiteboard, and our first Nexus solution focused on design for additive manufacturing, illustrating the potential of Nexus solutions. And finally, our Nexus for Developers platform for the developer community. These offerings are, of course, only the beginning. We will be announcing many more apps and solutions throughout this year and in the future. As it develops, Nexus will present an unparalleled portfolio of software and hardware for manufacturing, not only from Hexagon, but from a growing list of other vendors too. Nexus solutions are built by connecting these products into real-time interactive workflows. Nexus enables interoperability across disciplines and traditional organizational silos to break down barriers. And this is achieved by sharing only the minimum data needed to solve a particular problem. So with Nexus, you can start small and approach digital transformation incrementally, rather than needing to change everything at once. Nexus leverages the technologies you are already using to start your digitalization journey. As data is shared collaboratively, previously siloed teams will work together to deliver new insights. In time, these insights can be further enhanced with advanced analytics technologies to support better decision-making, taking steps towards increasingly autonomous processes to free up engineering talent to focus on higher value-adding activities. So that is Nexus. Register now, free of charge, at nexus.hexagon.com and explore the platform where you can already try out some of the new offerings like Metrology Reporting and Materials Connect. Reach out to your Hexagon account manager to find out more about how Nexus can help you, and look out for more new apps, solutions, and other offerings coming on Nexus throughout this year and in the future.
本日は Nexus についての動画をご覧いただき誠にありがとうございました。皆様がこの動画を楽しんでいただけたこと、さらに Nexus を試していただけることを願っております。Nexus の詳細については nexus.hexagon.com から無料でサインアップできます。ぜひこの機会にご自身でご覧いただけると幸いです。最後までご視聴いただきありがとうございました。